Okay, so when we're looking at formula, we look at formula and we look at substitution that results in an equation. So say you have a rule or a formula like v equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And you say if b equals 24, find r. So what you do is, where the v is, you put 24. So you get 24 equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So you substitute, and then you swap the sides, and then you solve it. So when you swap the sides, that equals 24. Now, in order to solve it, you have to do the reverse order of operations. So 24 you divide by pi and divide by 4 over 3. And then finally, to get what the r is, you need to cube root the 24 divided by pi divided by 4 over 3. And then you put that into your calculator to figure it out. Okay, so this one here, a is 300, r is 2. And we want to find out what h is. So you substitute, which means put it into the equation. So that means 300 will go in for the a, 2 will go in for the r in the formula. Okay, so you go 300 equals 2 pi times r, which is 2 squared, 2 pi times 2 times h. So once you've substituted, the next thing you should do is just simplify it a little bit. So you've got 300 equals 2 times 4 squared is 8, so it's 8 pi. 2 2s are 4, so it's 4 pi h. Then you swap the sides, so you swap it around. So you go 8 pi plus 4 pi h equals 300. And then you solve the equation. So you, first of all, that's plus 8 pi. So you move that to the other side. I'm trying to get h on its own. So it's minus 8 pi. And then the last thing we need to get rid of is that 4 pi. So because it's times by 4 pi, you go h is 300 minus 8 pi, and you divide by 4 pi. So you can use your calculator at that stage. You use your fraction button on the calculator. The fraction button is the one that looks like that. And just put all the values in. If you don't use your fraction button, then you need to put in a bracket, because there's 2 terms on the top and there's 2 terms on the bottom, and because of the order of operation you need to do that.